Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm gonna fix a problem of Python if you don't find your Pygame. Okay, I open here PyCharm. This is a coder for Python I'm using, and we put import space Pygame and become gray color. That means Pygame is not here. You get an error code of import Pygame, so Pygame is not working. So in this case, what we have to do here at the corner, you have written something Python, the last version. Click this one, and Python interpreter, this one. So you have to decide the Python version there. When you click, it will appear here. So we click here, search, we put interpreter, show Python interpreter is on, add a new interpreter setting. I go inside, pip version is downloaded. Here you have to check the pip version is there. Here you see a plus button, that means install. I hit this one. Now I put here Pygame. You see at the first option Pygame, I hit this one. You see install package, the Pygame. I hit this one, install, installing now. So Pygame is done, it installed. Here you see package Pygame installed successfully. I close this one here. This is in Mac, PC could be differ, and you see in interpreter is appear pip and Pygame both I have. I hit OK here. Now we'll write again import space py. You see here Pygame, that's all. Click. So when you see different color, that means orange and white, that means it's working properly. I hit play button. You see here a Pygame 2.6 is working. Hello, the Pygame community. So this is the way, if your Pygame doesn't appear in Mac, in PyCharm, you can fix. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.